Hello there, I'm Viriatu, he, him, humanist. A jack of all trades, a master of none, and much like myself and our goals of funding community projects, my stream is a work in progress. Wanting to run a computer center in a remote rural area of Mozambique led to a community donating land for educational purposes that they can get involved with, to be trained in skills that can help them make money to survive. It is more space than we need for a computer center, so we had to be creative about what is possible. I'm glad to say that we can create a skills training center that can offer various types of vocational training with the help of our supporters and the community. We registered a public benefit organization and have been working to raise awareness of our efforts and progress, while we put our own money away to fund the equipment and raw materials to start with. My interests range from subsistence living all the way to finances, gaming, the sciences, and more. We've been learning about and preparing for off-grid living for when we go to Mozambique to start building the center more than 200 kilometers from the nearest and only city, Maputo. Subscribe to hear all about what I'm up to, what we are working on, our achievements, and the challenges we face. Join the journey. Bye.